This lesson is on understanding place value. Place value means that all of the digits in the number have a value, and the values that we're going to talk about today are hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's look at the number 678 and plug it into our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. After we plug it into the chart, we see that there are 6 hundreds, 7 tens, and 8 ones. Each digit in the number 678 has a value. Let's look at some more numbers. In the number 672, I'm going to underline the 2, the digit 2. And we're going to try to figure out what place value that is. Well, if we put this number in our chart, 672, we see that the 2 is in the ones place. Let's try another one. Let's look at 516, and this time I'm going to underline the digit 5. Let's plug our number into our chart, 516, and the 5 is all the way on the left, so the 5 is in the hundreds place. Let's look at another number, 287. And this time, I'm going to underline the 8. Let's plug our number in our chart, 287. And we see that the 8 is in the tens place. Now another way, maybe I hit something. Did you see that?
Maybe it's just a dot. You could have kept.
No, all those X's came up all over my screen. Did it not come up on yours? Fuck. I hit something and all these X's were all over it.
Is it still there?
No, now the dot's there.
Just get rid of the dot and keep teaching. I'll edit this one too.
Yay! Okay. Another way to understand place value is to draw numbers out. When we look at the number 165, it helps us to understand the place value if we draw it. We know that there is 100. We know that there's 6 tens because the 6 is in the tens place. So we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 5 is in the ones place, so we'll draw 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 165. Let's do this with another number. Let's do the number 229. We know there are 2 hundreds. 1, 2. There are 2 tens because the 2 is in the tens place. 1, 2. And we know that there are 9 ones because the 9 is in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 229. Let's look at the number 306. We know there are 3 hundreds because the 3 is in the hundreds place. 100, 200, 300. We have no tens because there's a 0, so there's no need to draw any tens. And we have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 306. Let's do one more number, 430. We know that there are going to be 4 hundreds because the 4 is in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 400. 3 tens because the 3 is in the tens place. 10, 20, 30, and we don't have to draw any ones because there's a 0 in the ones place. That makes 430. That concludes our lesson today on place value.